Parrot. Come for his daily vitamins. It's more than likely going to fly away now. It's dropped his. He's got another one. I'm not even sure what it is. It looks like if it's a cherry or something. There you go. Maximum zoom. Sometimes you see more than one. Years ago when I first saw one, I thought it escaped from my house. And then I saw another one. Then another. Then another. Try not to speak because it can hear me. It might fly away. Someone's coming out from the garden. I heard a noise that it might fly away. See, it's looking. He knows how to eat healthy. I'll give him that. The parrots and the birds normally come eat off that tree. And also the squirrels. It's very green in colour. When he's had enough of one, or dropped one, you know there's more. He's looking at me, you can hear me speaking. That's why I'm trying not to speak too loud.